Good day once again. So, today's tutorial we will be discussing about arithmetic. Yes, arithmetic. So, unsa man ang gitawag nato og arithmetic? So, basically, when you hear the word arithmetic, it is always associated with numbers. Pag mayong arithmetic, ay math na siya. Kung mayong arithmetic, ay naanay addition, naanay subtraction, or we basically say nga that is just a mathematical operations, no? So, of course, no, you all have an idea. So arithmetic is just simply involves numbers with basic operations in it. No? So the operations will tell us or mo imusulti nato kung unsay ato ang buhaton dito sa mga numero nga gihatag. So we have the four fundamental operations. So, upat na ang pinaka-importante nga operation. Umon ang pinaka-basic. We have addition with plus sign, subtraction with minus sign, multiplication with multiplication sign, and division with division sign. So, sometimes ang atong multiplication, instead of x, they use dot, parentheses, or asterisk. Depende na sa book, no? Depende po sa level. No, kay og dili patad sa ubos-ubos tapit, we use x sign. Pag abot na sa algebra, we use dot and parentheses, okay? So, let's start with addition. Now, addition with plus sign just simply means that we gonna combine things, no? Atong idugang, na gadugang ta o butang sa isa ka butang. Let's say, for instance, we have 5 plus 3. This is very basic, but usually ang pinaka-basic manggod sa mathematics mo umagoy kasagarang malimtan. So, importante nga ato dyaning balikan, okay? So, we have 5 plus 3. So, consider you have 5 apples, dungagan og tulo ka apples. So, pila naman ka apples tanan? So, ipon natin, no? From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, we have 8 apples. Now, the equal sign in there will tell us the result, no? After we do the operation. So walang nabahin aning equal sign, naa didto ang process ug unsa atong gibuhat. And on the right side sa equal sign, naa didto ang resulting value after nato gi-process ang mga numero diri sa left side. So in English statement, equal sign is also associated with the word is. So for this example, we have 5 plus 3 is 8. So the same ra kung ingon tag it is equal to 8. The numbers that we added, katong 5 and 3, are called the addend. Na? Ug ang resulting value sa dihang ato na silang gi-add is called the sum or the total. Now, so there are also terms that is associated with addition aside from the word plus. So atong example natay 5 plus 3. This is also the same when we say sum of 5 and 3. 3 is added to 5. 5 increased by 3, the total of 5 and 3. Therefore, the word sum added to, increased by, og ang total, buot pasabot nga ang operation nga atong gamitan is addition. Okay, let's have subtraction. Subtraction is denoted with minus sign. So, example, we have 9 minus 4. Basically, ang subtraction bot lang ipasabot is na kay ikuha or kuhaon dito sa given nga number. So, think of 9 apples. You have 9 apples minus 4, meaning to say, kuhaan na to og upat ang imong siyam ka apples. So, what will happen kung kuhaan na tong upat? So, gitangtang na nato ang upat ka apples, no? So, ang nabili na lang is this 1. Okay, so pila man nakabuok, that is equal to 5. Okay. So ang number nga imong gikuhaan, tawag nato ni is minuin, ug ang number nga katong imong gikuha, that is what we called subtrahend. Now, the resulting value under subtraction is what we called difference. So the same with addition, naari puntay mga terms or words nga associated sa operation nga subtraction. So from our example, we have 9 minus 4. This is also the same when we say the difference of 9 and 4. So take note ha, kung unsa ang number first mentioned in the statement, mo na una nimo nga isulat. So in this case, una man si 9, so you have the difference of 9 and 4. Next, we have 4 less than 9. So in my teaching experience, this is the most misinterpreted phrase or statement, no? Sa amo ang mga estudyante pag unsaon ni siya pag-convert or pagsulat ani into symbol, because they usually use this one. But this is 4 is less than 9. Now take note ha, I have mentioned earlier na ang is associated with equal or sometimes inequality. So in this case, inequality because of the word less than. So this is 4 is less than 9. This is not the same with 4 less than 9. So ang 4 less than 9, what pasabot? Ang upat or ang 4, gikuha. Ang less than nimo diha nga mean is gikuha. So ang 4 gikuha sa 9. Or this is the same as we say 4 is deducted from 9. Okay? So take note with that. So let us have now multiplication. The basic concept of multiplication is just like you have a repeated addition. So mura ka og nag-add sa numero nga gibalik-balik nimo siya og add. Okay, so for example, we have 4 times 3. So ang 4 times 3, ang concept niya is just basically nag-add lang ka og 4. Okay, 4, kapila nimo siya gi-add. So we have 3, so katulo nimo siya gi-add. To concretize this example, so let us have this now. In a one bunch of apple, na kay upat ka buok sulod no, sa isa ka set, sa isa ka putos sa apple. So we have 4 apples inside, and you want to buy 3 bunches of these apples. So take note nga sa isa ka bunch na kay upat, so nanam kay isa ka bunch, so dungagan na to og duha, so 3 bunches na, no? And take note sa isa ka bunch na ay upat. And then, sa pila ka bunch ang imong gipalit, na ay 3 ka bunches. So, kung ipon mo kung pila ka buok apples nga naa diha tanan, there are 12 apples. So, basically, 4 times 3 is equal to 12. And this 4 is what we call the multiplier, and then 3 is the multiplicand. Now, in mathematics also, these two things are just simply called two factors. Factors of 12. So, kung imong i-multiply si 4 and 3, the resulting value for that one is what we call the product. So, when you are asked to find the product of 7 and 3, that simply means you have to multiply 7 and 3. So, the product of 5 and 4, you just simply have 5 times 4. Okay? So, let us have a division with the division sign. So, ang concept po sa division, ihapong bahinon o kapila. So, let's have this example. Imagine that there are 3 best friends, no? Si Miss Pink, si Mr. Red, and Mr. Yellow. And nangaroling na sila, no? Ang hapit ng Pasko. Advance Merry Christmas, everyone. So, I hope you still feel the spirit of Christmas. So, nagkaroling ni sila ang talo. So, sa ilang pagpamasko, gitagaan sila og bucket of apples. Oh, na instead nga kwarta, apples ang gihatag nila. So, pag human nila og pamasko, ilan ang gustong bahinon ang kaning apples. So, ilang hibalan nga sa sulod sa bucket, adunay siyam ka apples. And since kani silang tulo, they do not know the shorthand computation or basic shorthand computation kung paon sa i-divide ang kaning 9 apples. So basically, we'll start with atong manumanuhon, no? So natay tulo kana maskuhay si Miss Pink, si Mr. Red, and si Mr. Yellow. So unsa man ato pagbahin? So atong itagsa-tagsa o hatag sa ilaha hantod nga mahurot ang apple. So 1 goes to Miss Pink, ang isa ihatag ni Mr. Red, ang isa ihatag ni Mr. Yellow, and then apa man nabili nga apples, hatag nato ni Miss Pink ang isa ni Mr. Red, ang isa ni Mr. Yellow. Naapa dyan nabilin nga apples. So ato na pong ihatag ni Miss Pink, ni Mr. Red, and ni Mr. Yellow. And at last, wala na apples nga nabilin. Ang tanan na apod-apod na ogbahin. So atong i-count kung pila ang matag-usan nila. So Miss Pink has 3 apples. Mr. Red has 3 apples as well as Mr. Yellow has 3 apples. So, tada! So, nasolba na to ang problema, no? Nabahin na to ang ilahang apples nga equally divided nilang tulo. So, therefore, 9 apples divide sa 3 ka mag-best friends is basically naa sila'y tagtulo ka apples. Now, 9 here is what we call the dividend. And then, ang 3 is the divisor, no? So, kung ikapila nimo siya bahinon, mo na gitawag na to og divisor. And ang resulting value is what we call the quotient. So, when you are asked to find the quotient of 10 and 2. So you just simply divide 10 and 2. So 10 divided by 2. Okay, so let us take note of this important property of addition and multiplication. So addition and multiplication, orders of the numbers are not important. So when you say orders, ang placements imong numero o kinsay una nga nasulat, dili siya mag-matter sa addition o multiplication. So example, we have 4 plus 3 is just equal to 3 plus 4. Nga naman, na? Nga naman, because 4 plus 3 is just equal to 7 as well as 3 plus 4. So pareho sila nga 7 ang ilang answer. So wala na otro ang iyang answer, di ba? Though atong gi-interchange ang placement ni 4 or ni 3. Sa multiplication, in ana na gihapon, if you have 2 times 5, pareho ra na sa imong isulat as 5 times 2. Why? Because 2 times 5 is just equal to 10 as well as 5 times 2. So, kini nga property ato nang gitawag og commutative property. So, pwede i-commute, no? Pwede na to i-interchange ang placements sa numbers in addition and multiplication. Now, this is not possible sa subtraction and division. Ngayon naman, no? So, because in subtraction and division, the orders matter. Nagmatter kung unsa ang unang numero imong isulat. Dili siya pwede nga i-interchange. So, let us take this example. 8 minus 5 is not equal to 5 minus 8. Now, take note that 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, while 5 minus 8 is equal to negative 3. Of course, 3 and negative 3, dili na siya pareha, no? So, see? Nakita ninyo ang diferensya kung unsay mahitabo kung ato ang masipyat og sulat ang numero. So, given a word problem, unya dili na to matarong og interpret unsa nga operation ug unsa ang unang number nga atong isulat na kung subtraction or division ang nag-involve. So, expected yun nga mahimog yung wrong ang atong answer kung mamali na to og sulat ang placement sa numbers. So the same with division, natay 8 divided by 4 is not the same when we have 4 divided by 8 because 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2 while 4 divided by 8 is just 1/2, no? Kada kog diferensya na, no? Dako si 2 kay ni 1/2. So basically they are not equal. Okay? So I hope na nga klaro to ang basic na ang fundamental operation. So we will have another discussion on the application of those four together in one sentence or mathematical sentence. But as of this moment, so let us try to practice these exercises. Okay, let us have, are you ready? Let us have one. So find the product of 5 and 6. Okay, when you say product, unsa nga operations gamitan? 2, 7 less than 10. 7 less than 10. Pila man? Okay, the quotient of 15 and 3. So what is the quotient of 15 and 3? Okay, so you just comment your answer below. So I will just review that one and happy learning once again. So I hope that you learned something and I'll see you on our next video tutorial. God bless and keep safe.